Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video about Go and the fireworks that happened today. All right, so a very good day. So let's get started, see what happened. And I was expecting everything, right? So let me show it to you how. This is, keep in mind this diagram, right? This is the key. This is Elliott wave within channel. This is how it happens most of the time. If you look, you find it, right? So one, two, then wave three, then wave four comes in ABC fashion, and then your one, two, three, four, five. And if you draw the channel connecting wave two at the end of wave two and end of wave four, and take a parallel line and place on the wave three at the end of wave three, and the price will go and hit the channel tier, so wave five. That's usually happens, right? All right. So what happened? I'm gonna show you. I'm not gonna take you back a lot of charts, but few. July 2nd. July 2nd, I made this based on that diagram, right? So wave one, two, three, and then I said A, B, C. Wave four. Then this is the chart I made that is gonna go up from here. So blue count for wave five, finishing wave three here. This is wave three. Wave one and two, black count is in the background, right? So wave three is underway, and it was underway still, and wave one, two, three, four, five. So now what happened to this chart? And at the same time, I made the 40-minute chart as well, which is this. Wave one, two, and going to the upside for wave three. And this wave one, two is starting from right here. It is not this one. This black count is, this wave, blue wave five, it will start from here. One, two, three, four, five, here somewhere. That's 40-minute chart. Starting from there. So what happened to this 40-minute chart? This is the second, and then on fifth, boom, we went up all the way to wave three. So that's wave one, two, and wave three. What comes after wave three? According to that diagram, wave four, right? So wave four, so I made another chart saying that, okay, the daily chart looks like this now, right? So it went up nice and clean, and says, all right, this is the Friday, last Friday. So over the weekend, on the 6th, I made a chart and then I gave it to my subscribers and explained it to my webinar and all of that. What chart is this chart? So I said, well, I'm expecting a little bit down move as wave four. So I said, somewhere here is going to drop and maybe all the way to the TL or maybe somewhere there. But in this area, it's going to retrace a little bit and then go to the upside. And then I made the 40-minute chart as well, looking like this. Wave three is ended. One, two, three. So it's going to come down here for wave four, then go up for wave five. Then what happens? It came down here a little bit too much, right? But still, wave A. And I said, okay, came down all the way here, but this cannot be wave four. It is only wave A because it is very straight line. So then probably it's going to go up for wave B and then come down here for wave C, again finishing wave four here like this, and then it will go up for wave five. The chart that I showed you before, right? Same way. This is a small version of that chart I place on the chart so that people can understand what the heck is happening and on the base of what, right? So this is what the base was, and I was expecting that it may drop for wave C, finishing wave four, and then go up for wave five. What happened then? This is what happened today. So it came down exactly from B, A, B, C, finishing wave four, and then boom, all the way to the upside for wave five here, just like this. So we are sitting at, I just recorded the chart in, 10, 15 minutes ago. So I think this wave one, two, three, four, five ended here, and the rise for wave five, and this is wave one actually. Let me show you the daily chart. The daily chart is like this. So this blue count wave five, this is only five waves starting from here to here, and this is like wave one. Now it's gonna come down, maybe wave two, then wave three, wave four, wave five will end this blue count wave five, which will end this black count wave three. I hope I am not going crazy, right? So, but that's how it is. What can I do, right? So sometimes in harmonic patterns, which are much easier, right? But this cookie is a little bit hard. So, but once you learn, it becomes very easy, right? So now the question is, I have done, I'm trading all along every day, for gold and oil and all, everything, right? Bitcoin and all that. But what did I do this week? Because I started making the charts, and this rise started to happen this week from the 6th. The 6th, I made the chart, which was Saturday, right? So 7th, and the game started on the 8th. And let's see what happened, how many trades I had, and how. Let me show it to you. When it was coming down for wave 4, um, this wave 4, the chart that I had made that is going to come down. So it started to come down, and that was the first downside on the 8th Monday. I had this was the entry, beautiful entry, but I missed this one, so I took this one, and then not too much because I knew that this is wave 4, and then it can just go up anytime. So this is the downside on the 8th. Then on the 9th, I don't have anything, but on the 10th, it start to go up again. And then this is the entry from, this is basically is like 150 brick size chart. And this is from 2359 to all the way here, 2380. My target was this, but I closed here. I said, what the hell with it? Is enough, right? So, and I knew that it's going to go up after dipping, but this was a pretty big move. So I said, well, let me close it here. But the target was this, which later on I got it, but I closed this one here. Then today, what happened today? On the 11th, it went there and came down here, blah, blah, blah. And then it started to go up after the news, the US dollar news today, red news. And this is the first entry here, right? And it went all the way to the upside from 2382 to 2411. It is from the 200 box size. Now, at the same time, on my Omar's computer, which has 150 brick size there, right? So he also had this EA on there, and he took this one, almost the same area, but this is from the 150 brick size, right? I had it because I wanted to show that how, let's say, for example, regular candlestick formation, right? The regular Japanese candlestick, like you have 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart, 1 hour, 4 hour, right? So sometimes you have a setup, your entry setup on 1 hour chart, sometimes you have on 4 hour chart, sometimes you have on 5-minute chart. So whenever you feel good, like making an entry, and then that's it, right? So I had these 3 brick sizes charts open on different computers, and then whichever takes the entry, and that's it. So 150, 200, and then 400, by the way, right? I'll show you the 400 as well. So you saw the 200 entry is right there, and into the same area, 150 is like 5-minute chart, 200 is like 15-minute chart. That's the difference. That's it. So 200 was like 15-minute chart, a little bit bigger, but EA opened the trade here, and then 5-minute chart, my 150 box size, also buy order is right there, and it opened the trade here, taking the same place, and I closed. But there was another one that, it dipped after that all the way and gave me 2 more trades. One, it dipped all the way and then gave me a 400 brick size chart entry. And then it was going to the upside. And then again, I got 200 brick size long entry. Again, let me show it to you. This is what happened, that this dip here, it is on the 400 chart, which is the next one, 400 box size entry. But it started to go up, and then this is a 200 entry again. And this is from 2407 to 2421. And then this entry, which is not entry here because yellow is below the black. But if you look at the 40-minute chart, 400 box size, you will see very, very clear entry, which is this one. You see that? Actually, this was also a very, very big, beautiful entry, but I didn't take it. But then I realized that I should show and take the next entry available. Then, today, what happened? I have the opportunity to take this entry right here as soon as this, and then buy the book entry, right? But I took this one here. I just showed you, right? So no big deal. Just like, see this 40-minute entry? It goes up a little bit and give you 20-minute entry. This one did the same thing. 40-minute entry, it goes up and then give you 20-minute entry. That's how easy it is. So I got this one, I got this one, I got this one, I got this one. I have, no, sorry, 2 here, 1 here, 1 here, right? 2 here from 150 and 200 big size. This is 400 big size entry. You can see buy order is right there. By the book entry, all four conditions are aligned in place. That's how it is. This is how the system works. So only in gold you can see how many trades I have and what happened so far to this chart. Let me show you that all together it went up, and then this is how we end up, and this is how the weekly chart, I mean daily chart, ended up now. You see that? So beautiful trades, beautiful week so far. Thursday, I'm tired. I close everything. I'm gonna go to sleep now after the post, uploading this video. And this is how it is, right? So if you like to see how it works, you want to learn, want to be a part of it, then go to my website and you have everything here available, one-on-one coaching, and then or harmonic pattern, Elliott wave course, whatever the mumbo jumbo. I do it because of these courses, and they are my, my courses. I created them, so and these are the things that I use. I just showed you the diagram, the Elliott wave, and everything happened. Whatever happened in the goal, based on that, right? Step by step, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Simple as that, right? Harmonic patterns are all the time. I show you the charts, right? So this is how it is. So this is it for now, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Like I said, that we have finished. Let me go like that. We have finished this wave 5 here, and it is basically, I think, it's wave 1 of that blue count wave 5, which is right. What the heck? Which is right here, right? So this is only wave 1 from here to here. We had wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The whole drama was in here. Then we're probably going to drop back to this one or this one for wave 2, A, B, C fashion. Then we will go up for wave 3, big one. Then wave 4 sideways and wave 5 here, finishing this blue count wave 5. All right. So I will post you and I'll keep you updated. So, but if you have my channel subscribed, then you can get my videos on time so that you can take advantage of that, right? After everything happened, then the video is no good. All right. So bye for now and talk to you guys later.